Hi, my name is Amber, and today I'm going to show you how to create a clean, beautiful, flat panel TV installation without modifying the existing electrical wiring of your home using the in-wall TV Power Kit by Legrand. You will want to begin this project after the back plate of the TV wall mount has been securely fastened to studs on each side like this. Now let's get started. Let's take the instruction guide, which also serves as a cutout template for the recessed box, to find the ideal installation location. You'll want to find an area that won't interfere with your TV mount, but will also remain hidden by your TV. Keep in mind where your AV and power connections are on your TV. Once a suitable spot is found, you're going to take your level and place it on the top edge of the cutout template. You will then take your pencil and trace the outside edge of the template. Remove the level, trace the top edge, and then continue tracing to form a complete outline. You're now ready to begin sawing. Then take the drywall saw and cut along the outline you just drew. Then remove the drywall. Now for the bottom power inlet, we're going to find the nearest electrical receptacle and measure from the floor to the bottom of the wall plate. In this case, it's about 14 1/4 inches. Make sure to stay within the same stud bay as where you cut the upper hole and mark the measurement that you just got from the bottom receptacle plus an additional 1/4 of an inch. So in this case, I'm going to be marking 14 1/2 inches up with my pencil. Pick the green ring from the box and place it against the wall so that the metal wings are facing out towards you. Make sure that the bottom cutout is covering the mark that you just made. Ensure that it is level and trace the cutout. Now connect the areas where you just traced the cutout, again ensuring that it is level. Now take the drywall saw and cut around the outline you just drew. Then remove the drywall from the wall. Now let's begin running our AV cables. You'll want to start with them loosely bundled together, much like this, and then begin by pushing them through the top hole and feeding them down towards the bottom until you can see it. Once you can see the cables, you'll want to pull them out carefully from the bottom hole. Take the recessed box assembly and remove the cable tie from the cable. You'll then want to straighten out the cable to full length and feed it through the top hole until you can see it at the bottom hole. Back at the top hole, take the AV cables and feed them through the back of the brush strap until you can see them coming out of the front. Once all of the cables are through, make sure to push the excess inside of the wall and place the recessed box into the opening. Once you've placed the recessed box into the hole, take your screwdriver and hand tighten the wings onto the drywall until snug. At the bottom hole, place the AV and power cables through the green ring, ensuring that the wings are facing inward. Then place the green ring into the wall and take your screwdriver to fasten the wings. Now take the power inlet and feed the AV cables through the top. Place the power connector in the bottom such that the connector boot is seated like this. Then take the inlet back cover and snap it over the back of the power cable. With your screwdriver, screw into place until snug. Place the power inlet into the green ring like this and attach with screws until snug. Finish off with the wall plate. Feed your AV cables through, place over the outlet, and fasten with your screwdriver until snug. Now complete the assembly of your TV mount by attaching your AV cables and the power cord to the power receptacle. For the final step, take the included extension cord and plug the female end into the power inlet and the male end into the receptacle. You've successfully completed your installation of the in-wall TV Power Kit by Legrand. You now have a very professional looking flat panel TV installation with all of your cords and cabling hidden neatly behind the wall. For more information, including retailer locations, visit www.legrand.us/tvpowerkit.